Hello students, I am Mehak Bhardwaj. I am working as an IELTS trainer at the Tractors Malayakotla. So today we are going to talk about something very interesting and helpful. I have got so many queries from the students that how they can enhance and improve their vocabulary. Definitely vocabulary is something that helps you to increase your band score in speaking really well. But the problem that is most of the students face is they don't know how to use that vocabulary, how to use that vocabulary exactly and how to memorize it, how to have a command on this language. So I will share my I'm going to share my experience, recent experience I had with my student. She came to me and said, "Ma'am, I have written these 50 words from YouTube, but whenever I start speaking, I forget about it all and I just speak simply by using the words like good experience, bad experience, sad. I'll forget about all the vocab that I had written in my notebook." So my recommendation to you guys is that when you want to excel at the vocab, at the usage of vocab basically, what you guys should do is write it down, but write it according to the topics. For example, if you have to talk about a place, write the vocab words according to that cue card, the words that you can use while speaking about a place. Also, you can write it in the same way about a person. For example, he is very down-to-earth person. He's an extrovert. It explains his nature and his behavior with others. So you can write down these kind of vocabs. Other thing you can do is, for example, if you just like a word, for example, if you read it from somewhere or if you heard it and you find it very eye-catching and it looks good to you and you want to use it in your speaking. So what you guys can do is note down that word and try to make 5 to 6 sentences with the right usage of that word. This will definitely help you to memorize it, and also you will use it in a right way. This is something that the students lack and they just don't use the words in a right way. Third thing that I want to clear is, I have told you how you can memorize your vocab, how you can talk about, how you can take a cue card and you can write that vocab about that cue card in your notebook. Third thing that I want to say is, when you are speaking, try to just be confident and just try to speak those words that you use regularly. For example, if you learn this word mesmerizing, try to just get the correct usage of this word. Make 5 to 10 sentences. You can use the word in the cue card while talking about a person. You can say that I was mesmerized by his personality. You can use it while speaking about a place. You can say the view was mesmerizing. The view mesmerized me. Also, you can say that the beauty of that place mesmerized me. It was so eye-catching. So these kind of words you can use everywhere. And if you are using that word, pronounce it clearly. Try to use it on a regular basis so that you can be a pro at it. So thank you. That's it for today. Do follow us for more videos.